everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make these roses from scratch. Add some CMC powder to your red fondant. Get a small piece and turn it into a little cone. Add some edible glue to your toothpick and put your cone. Roll out some fondant and cut small circles. With your ball tool, thin out the edges. Add some edible glue and start gluing the petals around the cone. As you can see, each petal goes inwards, not outwards, and the other one overlaps it. Proceed to cut more circles and repeat the process. This time I'm going to be adding more petals than the last time, and again I'm going to overlap the very first one on top of the last one. Repeat the process again to start building my rose. The difference now is that this time I'm going to start opening my petals and pinching them at the edge. With the tip of my nails, I'm going to start ripping off a little bit of those petals. Give it a little pinch again and just play with them a little. Now I'm going to cut bigger circles. Now I'm going to take off a little bit of the petals before adding them to my rose. Now I flip my petal and I make two little rolls. If it's a little hard, you could always go back a little bit and roll it in. Now I start applying my petals again to my rose. The two little rolls have to be on the outside of the petals. give it a pinch right in the middle of each petal. With a toothpick, I can pull my petals out to open my rose a little bit more. Just be careful and don't break the fondant. With red and burgundy food coloring dust, I give it a little bit more color just to bring it to life. And we're done. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to learn more, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Thank you. Until next time.